But yes, we have a daily support with the Belvaspata, the angel healing protocol that was brought by the Seer Almin. And we have organized, so to give the utmost experience of the healing modality, we have different protocols per week. So depending on which topic we're working, and so for instance, in the Fountain of Plenitude phase 1, if we are working with the heart meridian, we will focus on all the distorted emotions of the heart meridian. Plus, we will also bring the Belvaspata of harmlessness, which is the Mesbaterasat. So there is a focus for the day, and we go through twice because we have 12 main organs, and then we have the protocol for 24 days. So you will go twice, and people often share how the second time is like you are already at a different level of awareness. So how that, exactly what you're saying, how is like how they feel deeper, that that the carving of the inner space is already very noticeable. And then the last 4 days of the protocol are dedicated to the ceremonies, and ceremonies of self-regeneration, ceremonies of limitlessness, the ceremony of abundance, and then we have the final explosion of the symphony with the ceremony of boundlessness, in which all the organs, they make peace, make friends with each other, and they culminate into oneness. So this is how, and this meditation is shared. All of this is on the files. We also share sound elixirs from the Seer Almin. So when you're doing your protocol for the face, you have the choice of the sound elixir depending on how you're feeling. If you want to play the fairy music, or if you rather play the music for the Arasatma breath technique. So there is a lot, this is like jam-packed, the sound, from sound elixirs to oils, mantras. We want to incorporate as many of the senses as possible so that we can truly enter into that deeper and higher reality.